Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's been quite a while between drinks, to be fair. We have something really special to present to you this week. We have an amazing classic Ferrari 365 GT 2+2. This thing absolutely needs to be seen to be believed. Let's head over now and check it out. This is real groundbreaking stuff for us over here at Tint Haus. A very discerning and avid classic supercar collector has trusted us with one of his prized possessions. Introducing the Ferrari GT 365 2+2. Nicknamed the Queen Mary due to its size and opulence, this living, absolute classic piece of Italian automotive machinery was a fan favourite since inception. It was a car so special that Enzo Ferrari himself chose it for his personal company drive car. Only around 800 of these were ever manufactured worldwide, with production running from 1967 to 1971. At production, the 365 quickly became Ferrari's top-selling model due to its all-round benefits and features, size, power and comfort. The GT 365 was way ahead of its time. Factory fitted with power steering, power brakes and optional air conditioning. This classic Ferrari is a front-engine, rear-wheel drive, fitted with a 4.4-litre Colombo V12 engine, which outputs 238.8 kilowatts, which in its time was near on rocket ship propulsion. Only around 800 of these were produced and delivered worldwide, making this absolute classic extremely rare in Australia. In fact, it's estimated there are only between 15 and 25 of them currently in the country. The colour is known as Pinot Verde, or Pine Green. This was a very rare colour, with only 24 ever produced in this finish. This particular GT365 vehicle was a complete ground-up restoration, 6 years in the making. Everything from complete engine rebuild, full interior, bodywork and fresh respray to restore it to its factory perfection. Now it's over to the team at Tint Haus to put the icing on the cake as we protect and preserve this absolute classic machine. What a finish, guys. Respect is the word that comes to mind here. This has been the emphasis of what's been behind what we've done. This absolute classic from Enzo Ferrari himself was something that we really wanted to cherish and do credit to. The finish has come up absolutely amazing. The boys have absolutely excelled themselves. The entire process on this one, guys, was all custom bulk fitted. So there was absolutely no templates on this one. Really pushed the boundaries of what the guys were capable of. If you look at the lines on this car, a lot of it's in one piece, this body. So it was a real challenge to try to get the film looking absolutely amazing without any discernible or noticeable join lines and so forth. And I think honestly, overall, the team have absolutely perfected it. It looks absolutely immaculate. I'm absolutely stoked with the overall finish. We've used the premium Xpel Ultimate Fusion PPF on this vehicle, which is 10-year warranty on it, chip resistant, scratch resistant, self-healing top coat to make sure we restore this absolutely luscious custom factory paint job. Make sure it stays this way for life. We have the premium XR Plus ceramic window tint on this car, which is a 70% VLT, known as the XR Plus clear film. Can't see it from the outside, but certainly reduces all the heat, plus the UV coming into the cabin of the car. Gonna make it super comfortable moving forward. Also blocks out those UV transmissions, which could discolor the interior. We've applied the clear Xpel windscreen PPF to protect the windscreen against any chips and scratches. Car like this, you really don't want to be replacing the windscreen on, so it's gonna keep it this way for life. Well guys, it's been an absolute pleasure working on this thing. It's been a lot of fun, come up absolutely amazing. The client's going to be blown away. Until next time, keep on rocking.